All right, so go ahead and move the bar chart out of the way. And you can shrink it up, move it off to the side. The next one we're going to make is a pie chart. So go ahead and select A2, click, hold, drag all the way over to March. Then release your mouse, hold the control key down, and we're going to go ahead and select Just Jam. So we click A4, hold, drag all the way over to D4, and release. All right, so by holding the control key down, we have bypassed custard. Okay, so we selected this top area and included jam, made a perfect rectangle. And now let's go over to Insert Chart. It'll give us the first suggestion, and it automatically does a pie chart. So go ahead and change the pie chart and play with the features with the setup and customize. I'm going to click on this one right here. And what's kind of fun, since it's a donut shop, you can put a donut in the middle. Ah! Okay, so you can kind of mess around with this, make it artsy fartsy, and that will be it for this assignment. The very last thing you need to do is go ahead, shrink it up, move it out of the way, and then you want to make sure that your title down here says ABC. And so we can double click on this. You could also click the shark's tooth if you want and click rename. We're going to call it ABC and make sure that it does not say untitled. Okay. Now you can click the shark's tooth again and you can choose a color for this assignment. And you can see that I have a number of charts that I've been kind of messing around with. Okay, and there's the next assignment. So you have to complete 2 charts. They need to be interesting, show me something special, kind of colors and things like that. Okay, 2 charts, and this assignment will be finished. Okay, if you forgot where the background color is, go to Chart Style, and you can change the background color there. Ta-da! Okay, so keep working with those titles or the customization of this chart. Ooh, I like the 3D. Ooh, that looks neat. What is maximize? Okay, don't like that. There we go. So just keep messing with it, see what you can find, and make it look good. And once you're satisfied, then go ahead and save it. Which Google Slides or Sheets automatically saves anyway, so just move on to the next assignment.